Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, let's go into our boot options. So tap on the power key right here, and when you see the power off, you want to hold that option. This in turn will change it into the safe mode. As you can see, tap again to restart your phone. In safe mode, downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. So if you have some kind of problems, this will in turn disable all the downloaded apps, so you can see if some kind of app was causing you problems with your device, or for instance if it might have been just your phone malfunctioning itself. So once it boots up, you will also see a watermark which will be in the bottom left corner, basically saying that, well, it is in safe mode. And here we go. As you can see, there is the safe mode, and as you can also see, apps are disabled in here. Only the essential apps will be working, things like phone messages and stuff like that. So that is how you would boot it into it. And once you're ready to leave this mode, simply tap on the boot options right here and select restart. And once the device boots back up, it will be then back in the normal mode. And there we go, we're now back in the normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.